Sup, Sean?
What's up, gamer?
Sup? If you could be a snack, what snack would you be, and would you eat yourself?
Are you saying I'm not a snack already?
Look, Sean, let's not be vain now. Chill.
I am a thick snack.
Of course, but that's, that's the go-to answer. Let's come up with something more original.
I told you I can't!
It shows.
I'm already coming up with my next poem. It's called Fuck You, Lauren. If I was a snack, I would be a fruit roll-up. Just so I could start from the end and suck till the start.
It's a good answer.
What? If you could be a snack, Lauren,
Yeah.
what would you be and why?
Well, I would
But
probably...
be original now, Lauren.
Fair. Probably one of those cute little Hello Panda cookies.
Damn.
See, I can be original.
Fuck. Okay. Thank you for the question.
You're welcome.